Well, today officially marks 1 week since Oahu's reopening plan began, and we are seeing some positive progress. To get to the next stage, Tier 2, we need to have a 7-day average of less than 100 cases and between 2.5% to 5% positivity rate. And you can see we've already reached that. However, as part of the city's plan, even with the decrease, we must remain in Tier 1 for at least 4 weeks. And that's not sitting well with some businesses who are still restricted. Kimberly Speakman reports.
Estheticians are separate from hair and nail salons under the mayor's tiered system, but they tell me that they follow the same industry standards, so the city should apply the same rules when it comes to reopening.
If a wax salon has the beauty shop designation, just like a hair salon, just like a nail salon, we should be allowed to open. We should be allowed to operate.
Under the city's reopening plan, estheticians fall under personal care services. They're allowed to reopen, but their service has to be done outside. Deirdre Harvey, who owns an eyelash business, says that's impossible for her.
The adhesive is very temperature sensitive. So if we're outside in our weather in this summer heat, in the 80s and 90s, it doesn't work well.
The city says in a statement it has been a challenging process to decide how and when to reopen safely. Honolulu's COVID-19 recovery framework is designed to allow low-risk businesses and operations to reopen in Tier 1 based on public health concerns. But Harvey says they have the same risks as salons and are taking the same precautions like requiring masks, wearing gloves, and using face shields.
We're actually behind them, and that's one of the things I think that maybe people in the government are thinking we're right face to face, we're in their face. That is not true. We're actually sitting behind them, which is very similar to a hairstylist, right?
Waiting rooms are gone, and people are let in on an appointment-by-appointment basis. Pang says they even added additional time between appointments to let their sanitation procedures sink in. But even with all those safety measures, business is dwindling, and more money is disappearing.
How do we pay the health care? How do we pay the rent? How do we keep this business afloat that's employing nearly 50 people on Oahu when you have arbitrary rules that make no medical sense when our services are 15 minutes or shorter and a hair appointment is 3 hours?
Under the mayor's COVID-19 recovery framework, estheticians would be allowed to reopen indoors in Tier 2, but there's no confirmed date as to when that may be. Kimberly Speakman, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.